In this video, we're going to show you how to adjust your chair to find the most suitable position for you. Sit on your chair on a flat surface with the movement mechanism locked, seat horizontal and the armrests as low as possible. To adjust the chair height, it's the second lever on the left-hand side. Lift this while standing and it will raise. Position the height so your forearms are level with your desk, your hips are above your knees and your feet are in contact with the floor or a footrest. The first lever on the left controls the seat pan depth. Slide this forwards to increase the amount of thigh support, but so there's no pressure at the back of the knees. The armrests are height adjustable with the button on the inside. Position these so they're just underneath your elbow without shrugging your shoulders up. With the screw underneath, you can also adjust the width. The backrest is height adjustable with the toggle at the back. Pull this out, lift the backrest up and down, and position this so that the lumbar support is in the small of your back. Lastly, you can turn the movement to the chair on or off. Pull the lever back to turn the movement on. Push the lever forward to turn the movement off. To control the tension to the movement, it's the dial underneath the seat. Turn it clockwise to increase it or anti-clockwise to decrease it. Thank you for watching our video. If you'd like more information about healthy working, you can head to our website at posturite.co.uk.